Everybody for stand up for my baby. Yeah, yeah, my sweet papa, I want carry go, shady na my heart. Yeah. Only you will go chop my sugar cane. No. Yeah, yeah, the time money no day you day my back, you know if you complain. Yeah, so I they come pay my bride price. Yeah, yeah, my baby, we must to marry today. Girl, I they come see your parents. Yeah, yeah, my baby, we must to marry today. Cause I want bumpy key with my baby. My baby, we must to marry today.
Yeah, they make 500 cities. Oh, Kisabaya, my nothing, and my Bible will be up in the campaign. And no crumple bed 500, and no 500 to calculate now the other 2 years advance settlement. What the charges was settlement. And I'm going to give you a crack on any of the say it nice. Oh, 2 hours. So I deal in minutes every month with no what the number 0228. Okay. 551 667 phone number to them. Oh, that's really show them magic. Oh, no problem, no problem. So I know it's a win problem. It's okay. It's not me person who said the banner meet me to have something. Oh, so what you hey, Nadia Makukuma Benton. Eh, if I was in Cosity, maybe I'm a prayer tenancy agreement in Libya. So buy Mamma Malcolm. So between crying a witness now and about no witness assignment. No problem. Or ideally, sign a 70 with the witness. Okay. Oh, I don't think it's a problem. But they're about to come and say, probably said the message. But I don't know. So, Luka, step the right. If you're about to, and yet a dynamic power, me daytime take home. Then the quiet one want to find me in my quiet. Oh, my bread, if you're out, I don't want to. If I'm a them, I'm going to. It's okay. But it's welcome, but it's the best way not take it. Yo, but that's if you know. Make sure you but and all about the Safana, Minnie Mouse is here. Oh, that be about. Hi. Hello.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good and yourself.
What is your problem here? What did you went there for?
Oh, I'm not a bad person. I just went there for something. I want to rent a room here.
What? You went and do what?
I want to rent a room.
Rent a room in this house. Hurry! This man, you don't want peace. Oh, did you meet Osama Bin Laden?
No, but Osama is dead.
Osama Bin Laden, the house owner, did you meet him?
You call the landlord Osama Bin Laden.
You don't know this house. Let me tell you one thing. If you want peace, hurry, go and take your money and move from this house. Me, I am waiting for my balance though. I go to my hometown. I can't deal with this. This house. Hurry, don't go there. Don't go there. You see where I'm sitting.
But your landlord seems very peaceful and...
Don't judge the book by its cover. This book...
Hey! Why do you know him?
Who?
This man, do you know him?
I don't know him.
Then why should you...
I have to ask him what is he doing in this house. Are you
the security man of the house?
I have to make sure I know everybody.
What right have you to be questioning people who come to the house?
Landlord.
And those who are leaving the house?
Landlord, please understand.
Why should I understand?
I am a member of this house, so I have to know everybody. You understand? Maybe he's a thief. I have to ask him where he's coming from, right?
Look at him. What has he stolen? Why would you even think that of me?
I am just asking. It's not bad to ask a question, you understand?
What's not bad to ask a question? It's just that you are going beyond your boundaries. I heard what you were telling him, didn't I?
What did I tell him?
What did you tell him? You are asking me.
What did I tell you?
You told me.
Hurry, hi. What did I tell you?
Hey, let him talk.
What did I tell you?
You see, is that how he is? These are the kind of people I live with. And aside all
He was
these,
telling me.
What did I tell you?
ha!
Learn to learn secret. What is this one too?
Rat.
Like man, you're trying to save you. What did I tell you? Go.
Do you know what, gentlemen? These are some of the things I'm handling in this house.
Am I going to live in this house with this man?
You didn't meet me here. You asked me, come and remove me from this house. You came
Do you
and
know
met
what?
me here asking me you live with me.
Hey, Indian man, I don't know the name I should use to call.
Bahubali, that is Bahubali. You know my name already.
Do you know what? Please, for God's sake, would you stop this?
The gossip.
Yes.
I can't stop it. It's our culture. It is our culture.
Like you rightly said, it's a gossip.
Yes.
Oh, landlord, I'm sorry.
Boss,
I'm sorry. I will take.
Please, sorry
Okay.
for
No, that's okay.
this behavior.
I know his kind.
Yeah. But you coming, as I told you, the place is peaceful. Honestly, if you want to be peaceful, you'll be able to be peaceful.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, I forget his manners. Forgive him. You see, you're not gonna happen. I keep telling you this every day.
So I should stop gossiping.
You should stop.
I can't stop. It is
It's
our
not-
culture.
Yes, it's your culture. That you should do that in India, not in Ghana. Do you understand? We are Ghanaians, we are not Indians.
Nope.
You can't bring this here.
Alright.
So you can't come into my house and then,
Point of correction. The room you've rented a room, not a house. Okay?
you know what? I feel I've given you enough room, enough chance to spit all this trash. Mind the way you talk to me, lady.
Benyoje.
I mean, I always forget, girl, like, not a lady yet.
No, I'm not a lady.
Yeah. So just
Because
be
me
careful.
a rabbi name me muti se me nuano.
Okay.
If you fuck around with me, I would beat you up. Look at this face very well. If you play with me, me go papa.
I love that.
Then money.
I love that.
So don't ever have it in mind because you are stupid enough and my sister is also.
Oh, okay. So now you want to bring it on, isn't it? Okay. Bring it on. Bring it on.
The sum for woman. Or your bear mark one more. See a foot on a woman.
I love it, girl.
No, you can't hate me. You don't hate girls. This is my sister, man.
She's my wife.
Who is this one?
Who are you?
Let's talk to the quarter human being and let's leave the half. Because it looks like you've even got dignity more than this one.
How do you carry up a chair?
Oh, no. Maybe Wabas who were any young cratching your chair with. The original way. Wait.
Indeed. Now what carry up a huh?
I don't blame you.
You blame who?
I blame your husband who left you for 15 years.
And I blame my sister for all the rich men, responsible men, men with dignity, men with class.
So how come you've not landed one for yourself?
But I've already got one.
The one who left you for 15 years.
The one who still pays
Hello?
my monthly allowance.
Oh, really?
Unlike you that sees her each and every day but gives her shishi. Nothing.
Mind you.
You
So
heard
if
him. Just leave.
tenants talking to a landlady like myself, tenants, you rent a single room, you share a bathroom with over 4 people. God.
I know only on a prayer.
Exactly.
I know only on a
I don't know
prayer.
who here. And she's comfortable.
What's it?
But I don't blame you, just as I was saying earlier. It's my sister. Odonna could be phones here. How dear, you are a curse who needs to be broken. And for you,
Vanessa, how many times stay away from my marriage? Adan, what right now? What so papa me fear? I bet threaten me. Wouldn't so cause more problem for me? Wouldn't sir? When him say because of who won't see, they be a me group so jammy. I didn't open see yam in a metal of Yana.
Bodam, Oja on way.
What bottom?
Now, Oja, me need the house. Ellen, me need ya name ya. Wake us, Oja, who drink well, yeah. Now, wait, I be my mama being with Bema, you be my foolish boy.
I can know say women wife. Who could tell what what's now butching? I can't go out piano. Ah, loneliness, air kuno. What was that been to me, boy? Sister, I'm your wow. What boy? Me mouse start chance no. Eh, ada wokumia ya unu wokum. Wokumia e ya wuna wokum. Last warning, stay away. Wouldn't right, no right. Who could not put out, what down walk. What's my tell of my friend that I just added to a bitch and a or tell because when in a warrior and near cost is none of my business. And yet me business until you quite media your business. What's your son make a channel? Won't me for me may I now may penny. Me no nim ya san chemi. Minima the crime diameter. What come me out of woo?
And if you don't mean
And found
Okuma Mekunibi.
Sir.
Okuma.
Sir.
And your brothers will do a mamma bunibi.
Eh.
Me free one.
Sir.
Share.
Braho be away. Meaning me and say be see a 12 brono. One gas on the enemy. Would the sad tempted? Bio. Me can one me up boy about porno. One man who knew me in Aswaswa. Would the stay away? Now they not when me last one and I'm a day mount. That chick of it.
Hey. Mebaho, would you help me a normal? But no one to mean in some moment. There be and then you're possible. There be. Would you help me a normal? What would me a ye? What would me a normal? But what would me a? The chick of it. That's a woody master and go back here.
Yeah, man. Yes. Please, have you seen my wife?
Your wife?
Yeah, my
Sister
wife.
Nelly?
Yes.
Oh no. I've not seen it. I am not a gossip. How will I know where you're working?
I'm just asking.
No, I don't want to poke into people's business. I don't know where you're working. Why did you ask?
Nothing. My door is locked and she's not.
Oh. Did I see her? I thought I saw her around. No, I didn't see her today. But you have to take your time. Why are you boiling like that? Why? Take your time. She's not a kid. She just went out. Maybe she went for something. She will be back very soon. Why?
I just told her I'll be back early today and I just don't know why the door is locked and she's not.
You know, you went to work and maybe she also has other work elsewhere to do.
She just wants my trouble. She just wants me to act and then people will,
Sarpon, it doesn't got into that. It doesn't got into that. You don't know where she went to. You have to take your time. When she come, you ask her, where did you go?
I don't blame you. You don't even have a girlfriend.
Hurry! This guy and that girlfriend in. I don't have a girlfriend. No, I have to. Let me. I will date Sister Ellen. I will find ways and date her.
You date me.
You are asking me. I don't know how to.
You think my wife likes you?
You think my wife doesn't like me? No problem. about my doctor. This guy, if you, no problem. Sister Helen, please come. Please come. God of Jesus, where are you going?
Now I am a baby.
So you are going home? Hey, please. Hey, please. Hey, come. Let me tell you one thing. Why are you going? Lord wife. That is what she did, and she turned to here. Listen to me. If you go there, you are dead. Your husband is boiling like water. No, blazing like hell. You're telling me. If you go there, you are dead. Please. I don't know where you're coming from, but go there. Run to that place. Go and call police. He came in the morning. She has been looking for you since you left. If you go there, you are dead. Sister Helen, please. Don't go there. Hurry! Sister Helen! Lord wife, that is what she did. Don't turn. You said I will turn. Now you turn to CS. Who else? Let me go and tell my Joyce that her husband is no good.
Kira.
Yes.
Grandpatron.
Oh my. Hey. Na would be in the need of concern you. Why should you never catch or cry? We ever connect this out. We didn't have some bay I did and talk on in the account. Now, crowd coin, powerful. Ideally, be piano cracker, no, me, and could be say. Oh,
and I'm on call and really as a court. Send one and say, 101 years I didn't you. And it's what you have to meet you.
and so, so I have. What is it? Don't hurry. Young Conaman and Bocassa. But they grew the Bacabiano, Mancasa, because before was some matter of the canals we know it's maybe people. Me bow. Hey. Correct. Papa, I couldn't listen to the altar like this. So I don't correct. All of my wife, I say, check a program now for a down for the one now for the inside the crowd.
Fear a deba demo koji. And then no koji.
Why? Because what one and you're answering your question and Cardiba do. Was it your aquatic crowd and Cardiba do? But unfortunately, the MSL said traffic rules are doing the money today.
Me fifia no pa me catch me say ene. Me ni adwuma bebree wo office. Me bantem. Me say me buy ya lock up no. If you know how long Martina Hanim say wow.
Now, friend. No friend. Well, who may score phones?
Me fra me dina ha me take phone ring you inside.
Mama saw the who baby say we didn't maybe see. Nanka the phone call. Or fraud, Nanka or fraud, Nanka, one man, West player. With the nephew.
You are in a coin of the minam to near any say me coca say pet. Yes, it's upon me.
After a mass. Why bear may be a wide and better thing after. Because, or by one catches a man was or enemy fever. I be mentors, me fear. Maybe was an edit.
Jina crack, come on, me. Just imagine, say,
to catch it. Mabutre also. Na Manon Queen, who so why? Because it's now a twins and moving our time.
Bisan said you're not Kawaya. Bisan.
And over just so now.
But me react to see ya. This is a comment. You see me, no, you see me yet.
And it is no better. Because no one want to win in time I want to go back and say, yeah, how that's all the same. But all the man, Parliament, and quiet there. And so, quiet there, and so calm, quiet. As for you, we are there. So, why? That's all about Koban and Aqua Bassam.
If you want Kenya, if you want Kenya,
Amy, you know, whooping. Yes, I never did customers. If I'm too busy to see, I was watching the woman done. So I rose, I'm here with him. What in power? We will the count dance. What does it feel? I have a push or be food. Why? That's I mean, that's if you had your I like it. Hey, my poor young man, Sahamanaka, now do you want to I put your hand. See, the other time about young man, I go say, well, now, so bad, yeah.
Oh, no, so far so good.
That's fine. Yes, I'm going to say if you have it, you have to now, and I know Obama, you want to correct me.
Oh, it's not a Juma crime said any. Uma be very simple. So, the man said, I knew a Juma to be out. And no home tin, I'm about how you assemble better was it.
Oh,
and Indian in and Cafe Royal Buma Bamkaka. And so, I'm the man to form the man so much. So, me investigation kaka. The man also to talk from Mama. It's quite opposite. I'm sure
India, so I'm sorry, actually, no, as some of our no better. And young was out much so that they were about the number of Biano. Quick over and asked him here.
Obey me, I sir.
Oh, said as we know about nobody. And you are not asking you on my movie. Oh, but on consenting, some one as a cat will be the Chevy, I will be crab up to try a cabra. Oh, Sabi will not when you're open. Only a something I am movie.
Sure, that's
Oh, and
that's a plan.
myself.
And I'm said you home in the Panama.
Oh,
Fabi BNC. Oh, yeah, me.
anxiety, but you actually be
Hey, and then we tell me to cover.
Okay. God bless.
Everybody for stand up for my baby. Yeah, my sweet papa, I want carry go, shady na my heart. Only you will go chop my sugar cane. Yeah, time money no day you day my back, you know if you complain. Yeah, so I dey come pay my bride price. Yeah, my baby, we must to marry today. Girl, I dey come see your parents. Yeah, my baby, we must to marry today.